After changing the battery in your Vauxhall Zafira key fob, the signal between the fob and your car's central locking system can become desynchronized. This happens because the voltage drop during battery removal disrupts the fob's unique code recognition by the vehicle. Resyncing reprograms the fob's code into the car's memory. This allows you to use lock, unlock, and other remote functions again. The process is DIY friendly and usually takes only a few minutes. Step 1. Insert the key into the ignition, but do not start the engine. Step 2. Turn the key to position 2, ignition on with accessories active, for 10 seconds, then back to position 0. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times. Step 3. With the car door open, press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 10 to 15 seconds. You should hear the central locking system cycle, with the locks clicking. Step 4. Test the resync by pressing the unlock button. If it works, you're all set. If not, double-check your battery and repeat the process.